What's this? Oh my god. Hi guys, what's up and how are you doing? My name is Diana Daisy from Nairobi, Kenya, Africa, and I'm in Kigali, Rwanda. So I want to show you where I've been sleeping and take you through how the house look like and tell me, is it worthy this amount of money, or how do you say about it? So come in, let's see before I check in. So first thing first guys, I'll start with my balcony. So in case you have a workload, you can stay outside here with your laptop doing some editing, and the climate is very good because we have some trees for the fresh air. The windows are also big and one seat, and the seat is very comfortable. Yeah, it looks good. Let's go inside. Welcome inside the house. This is how the house looks like. This is how the house looks like inside. Oh my god. Just look at the seats. Just look at my space. My god, it looks so good. You can watch. We have some decorations on the wall too. It's clean, it's fresh. Just look at that chandelier. Oh my god. Oh, they're so comfortable, guys. I think I didn't make a wrong choice. And it has some, okay, I don't know, what is this? Okay, this is the kitchen area, guys. That's how it looks like. We have some cooker, we have a fridge, in case you're carrying some things. We have some, how do we call this, water dispenser. And here is where you store your things in case you're cooking for yourself. You also have a microwave. Yeah, in case you're warming something or you've carried some plates over here. Over here we have some cooking pots inside there. It looks so good. And we have a spacious place over here. And of course, I love spaces for good breath and just to be over here. I think that's a tick. I love the kitchen. Everyone. Of course, this is a spacious pathway. I want to see what's in here. Oh my god, it's a toilet. Oh, okay. Ladies, urinal. It's favoring all of us. And then after finish up, this is how we look. It's hot water. Yeah, we have hot water. Oh, do you have the shower? Oh, this is the bath. This is the toilet only. It's not a bathroom, so it's not combined. Oh, guys. So let's go and see where the bathroom is. Follow me. Are you ready? I'm also asking myself the same. Am I ready? Oh, this is the master bedroom. Jesus. Oh my god, it feels so good. This is the master bedroom, guys. It looks so good. I love the size of the bed. I love the mattress, the duvet, and the towel. Okay, they have yellow in color. I'm used to white. And now this is the bathroom. It's a hot shower bathroom. Ladies, I bet you understand. Inside. Yeah, that's how a bathroom looks like, and it's good and it's spacious. I love big space. Okay. So, and here in case when you come with your clothes, this is where you put your clothes in. Yes. And a mat in case you're walking and you have some particles. That's how you dust off yourself and you get in the bed. What's this? Oh my god, look at this. It looks so good. I'm in love with white because white is my favorite color. The bed also looks so good, and the room is speaking well. I love this room. There's a lot of not only having white towels but some different colors. Let's see what it has. I think every room is a master room for my conclusion. Guys, also this is how the bathroom looks like. Here is where you store your detergents when you're bathing. And yeah. So tell me down below the comments, how do you think about this room? Is it worth it here in Kigali? Or would you book search? That's all I have of decoration in the wall. Let me show you guys here. Yes, would you book search? So that is it. This is how my stay looks like. This is where I will be enjoying myself here in Kigali. See you guys. Thank you so much.